Can I ask everybody to stand well back? The truck is a breakdown truck. It's a girt big truck, as you can see. A girt big truck. Which for people from not the West Country, it means it's big. So please keep out of the way of the girt big truck as it moves up through the High Street to clear a path for the Squibbers. Until we get a clear pathway through, the Squibbers cannot come and join us. You will also see that behind the girt big truck is one of our collecting floats. We do urge you all to dig deep in your pockets and put any last bit of change into our collecting cart. We really do need the finance to keep Carnival alive and keep Carnival here in Bridgwater. So please, if you've got any change, throw it into the collecting cart. If you've got any £5 notes, you can give it to one of the collectors. If you've got £10 notes or £20 notes, that's even better. But please do help us raise a bumper collection this year. So as I say, 6 members of Griffins, 22 of Wilfs, there's 12 Ramblers, there's 12 members of Lime Kiln, there's 8 members of the Crusaders, sorry, 8 members of the Cavaliers, because there's 10 members of Crusaders. We've got 5 members from the Newmarket Carnival Club. And don't forget, if you have got any loose change, please throw it into the collecting cart. Every penny counts, but pounds are better. So after Newmarket, we've got 14 gremlins. We have 6 members of the Centurion Carnival Club. There are 5 members of Toppers. There are 13 members of the British flag. And 10 members from the Marina Sydenham Juvenile Club. We also have 33 very special guests who are mainly our sponsors, but also people who do help us in many different ways, and we thank them for helping us out. And some of the members who are on the Guy Fawkes cart are here tonight. We have 6 members of Pentathlon. Where's Pentathlon? Pentathlon members, where are you? We have 10 from the Wills Carnival Club. And normally I can spot them. Where's the Wills? We have 8 members of Renegades, 9 from the Marketeers, and 14 from the Vagabonds. Hey! So, one more time before we start the squibbing, please stand well back from the Squibbers. These are live fireworks. The Carnival Committee, the Squibbers, we do not accept any responsibility for any damage to clothing, any injury to the person. You are here watching the squibbing entirely at your own risk. Please remember that. Again, if you have any problems, respiratory problems, then please make your way to one end of the High Street, because there will be lots of sparks, there will be lots of fumes, there will be lots of smoke. So squibbing officers, go down the line now, just if you don't do that, your squib won't go off. Also, please remember, you squibbers, that you actually squib inwards, and the squib must be held upright. So squib inwards, hold the squib upright, don't put it at an angle, make sure your squib is upright, and make sure that the fuse has been removed. Can all the lighters, all those people who have been designated as a lighter, please put the wads out on the floor? You know where they go. Please put your wads out on the floor, that's all the lighters. Please remember again, I'll say it one more time, please stand well back. If you have any hoods on your clothing, I suggest you put them and cover your head. And the sparks will go up, and what goes up must come down.
Once it goes off, it goes off.
That's just a signal for the lighters to light the wads in the middle of the street. Don't light your squibs yet, wait for the signal. Okay, we're going to do a countdown now. So from 1,000, from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, light your squib. Make sure the squibs are held upright. What a glorious sight that is. Absolutely amazing. Gentlemen, there's a few squibs left. They're all dotted around tonight, aren't they? Some at the top, some at the bottom, in the middle as well. There's a couple of outside the Duke going well. Some down by the Cornhill. Who's going to be the last one? The ones at the Duke are out of the race. One, two, three left. Three left. Two left. Only two. Which one's it going to be? Which one's it going to be? Just the two. Are they going out together? Are they? Hey! There she blows. Fantastic. Well, what a display that was. I think that's the longest display I've seen in a number of years. So well done. Thank you all the Squibbers. Give them a big cheer. Thank you one and all for creating this fantastic display and keeping the tradition of squibbing here in Bridgwater alive for another year. Well done to you all, and thank you very much for being part of Carnival 2024. Everyone have a safe journey home. We hope you've enjoyed Bridgwater Carnival. We hope to see you all again next year. I'm sure we're in for another spectacular evening at Carnival 2025. So do come and join us again next year, and once again bring some fine weather with you.
We've already had this chat. Don't worry about that. Yeah, we've already had this.
No, I know. That might work. Tony's fans kept them.